Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to sign into another Google account on your Toshiba 32WA 2363DG. To do it, go to the settings. You can see settings are up here, and then go to accounts and sign in. You can click on add account. Then you'll see this screen. Click on sign in. You may need to wait a moment, this TV isn't the fastest one out there. Then enter your email, right? So I'll just enter it. Okay, I'll do that, then I'll just edit it because I have a very similar one to the one that's already logged in, so it's remembered in the keyboard. Just change one digit, so I'll do that. Then I'll enter the password, which I'm gonna do off camera. After entering the password, it'll start loading. It may take a moment as well. And now two accounts are there. I can go back. And then you can go to the button next to the settings. This is your account currently open. And now you can switch between the one that you want to use currently. So you can switch that, and now I'm using the other one. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.